So 1 by x plus I all raised to n will be 1 by r cos theta plus I r sin theta all raised to n. So that will be equal to 1 by r raised to n. So this will become cos theta plus I sin theta all raised to minus n. So that will be 1 by r raised to n cos n theta minus I sin n theta, and 1 by x minus I whole raised to n. So replace I by minus I in this, so that is what we are going to get. So that is r raised to n cos n theta plus I sin n theta. And now let us substitute this in yn. So yn is 1 by 2i. So we will get minus of minus 1 raised to n minus 1, n minus 1 factorial, n minus 1 factorial common. Take minus 1 raised to n minus 1, n minus 1 factorial by 2i is common. So remaining we will have minus 1 by x plus I whole raised to n. So minus 1 by r raised to n cos n theta minus I sin n theta വരും. Then plus 1 by x plus I whole raised to n ആയിരിക്കും വരുന്നത്. So that will be x minus I whole raised to n. So that will be 1 by r raised to n cos n theta plus I sin n theta. So that will be minus 1 raised to n minus 1, n minus 1 factorial by 2y r raised to n varum. Then when you take the sum, cos n theta will cancel out, so you are going to get 2y sin. So 2y will cancel out, so this is equal to minus 1 raised to n minus 1, n minus 1 factorial sin n theta, okay, where by r raised to n varum. So you have the value of r and theta. R will be root of x square plus 1 and theta will be tan inverse of 1 by x. Tan inverse of 1 by x is equal to cot inverse of x. So that is the required value of the nth derivative. You can further simplify r if you need. So we have got theta equal to cot inverse x. So from here x will be cot theta. R will be root of cot square theta plus 1, so that is cosec theta. So therefore we will get yn equal to minus 1 and raised to n minus 1, n minus 1 factorial into sin n theta by r is cosec theta, so we have r raised to n cosec raised to n theta. So that will be minus 1 whole raised to n minus 1, n minus 1 factorial sin n theta into sin raised to n theta. So the final answer can be simplified in this form. So where theta is equal to cot inverse of x. Problem is find the nth derivative of y equal to sine inverse of 2x by 1 plus x square. So when you take the first derivative, that will be 1 by root of 1 minus 2x by 1 plus x square whole square into derivative of this. So that will be 1 plus x square whole square into 1 plus x square into 2 minus 2x into 2x. So that will be equal to 1 plus x square വരും ന്യൂമറേറ്ററിലേക്ക് പോകും root of 1 plus x square whole square minus 4x square into, so you will have 2 minus 2x square by 1 plus x square whole square. So that will be 2 into 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. Now here you have root of 1 minus x square വരും whole square. So we are going to get 2 by 1 plus x square. Now we have done the same thing in the previous problem. In previous problem y1 നമുക്ക് കിട്ടിയത് 1 by 1 plus x square. So here you have got y1 as 2 by 1 plus x square. So proceed in the same manner. അപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് ആൻസർ കിട്ടാൻ പോകുന്ന 2 times into that will be equal to, okay. So for this also you have the same formula for the nth derivative. So please complete this one.